1. Judea, the birthplace of Christianity. The birthplace of Christianity was a remote territory at the eastern end of the Mediterranean Sea. According to the New Testament, Jesus was born in this region, referred to as Judea by the Romans. This area had once been ruled by King David and King Solomon when it was part of the ancient kingdom of Israel. The Jews of the region were devoted to their homeland and to their belief in a single God. This belief, combined with their religious customs, distinguished them from their neighbors in the ancient world. Once an independent kingdom, Judea came under Roman rule in 63 BCE. The Romans attempted to govern the country by appointing Jewish rulers who agreed with Roman rule. However, groups of Jews rebelled against Roman control several times. In 37 BCE, Rome appointed a man named Herod to be the king of Judea. Although Herod was not Jewish by birth, he practiced the Jewish religion and rebuilt the Temple of Jerusalem. However, many Jews distrusted him because they viewed him as a puppet of the Romans. When Herod died in 4 BCE, his kingdom was divided among his 3 sons. Once again, unrest erupted. Finally, Rome sent soldiers to Judea to regain control, and they replaced Herod's sons with a military governor. The military governor maintained order and ensured that Judeans paid taxes to Rome, but he usually left local affairs to the Jews themselves. For example, a council of Jewish leaders ruled the holy city of Jerusalem. The council was headed by a high, or chief, priest. Judea was outwardly peaceful, but many Jews despised the Romans. In their sacred writings, the Jews read prophecies that one day God would send a Savior to restore the glorious kingdom of David. This Savior was called the Messiah, or Anointed One. Anointed means blessed with oil. More generally, it means specially chosen by God.